Alright, Arnel here. We code camp decimal to binary converter lesson step 3. Okay? So, sabi dito, a good way to test that everything is working is to log the value attribute of number input. This is kung anong in-input dito sa console. As a reminder, you can access the value attribute of an element by using that or bracket notation. So, dalawang methods ang pwedeng gamitin para ma-access yung value attribute na in-input natin, which is yung dot or bracket notation. Mas madali, alam ko mas madali. So within the check user input function, to console.log natin yung value ng number input to the console. So natin yung dot. Lagyan natin daw console.log and then number input dot notation, okay, dot value, okay natin